What's up, Bricks fans? Brixit here, coming at you with a LEGO City 2016 fire ladder truck review. In this one we get two firefighters, a fire ladder truck, and a small little fire. Start with the female minifigure, because there's the front torso printing and the leg printing, and the generic female face. Getting a little old there, LEGO. You don't have to come up with that many faces, but come on. Pretty typical female face is getting pretty used, like one from the police theme, but I'll show you that in a different video. Here's the back printing. It's got the fire logo. Excuse me. Back up. Leg printing is the same between figures. Different torso printing. Face printing. He's got some dirt and a goatee over there. Here's his back printing. Got the same logo. You put it back together. Now I can show you the features of the set. The cockpit, or the car, has a seat and some space for both of them to sit. On the side there we have the fire stamp logo thing. We have a fire extinguisher, some storage for extra water studs for your water hose over here. You have your shovel. And I don't mean to sound a little late, but when I was building these, I started to come on a recurring theme here. The license plate number 60107 is the set number. And I just figured, that was pretty cool. I didn't notice that until now. On this side we get a fire hose with a whole lot of line in there, and we get a walkie-talkie. On the back here we get a axe and a buzz saw. The ladder itself is composed of two ladder pieces, one with a handle rail, the other is, you're on your own. With this set we can get a little fuel tanker that's on fire, so you can have one figure run up at it with a fire extinguisher and put it out, or you can have the other figure run over at it, or better yet, shoot at it with the water hose. These are not the normal stud shooters. These have a rigid, straight handle and a ball joint socket receiver in the end that you can put in the figure's hand. Ready, aim, first shot. God. Let me show it again from the different angle so that you can get a better look at it. Oh, I just lost my stud. Wait. There it is. Found it. You are found. Altogether, this is a nice little set. I cannot wait to get more of the upcoming 2019 Fire Brigade stuffs to add on to my collection, because soon I will do a little video, and I need to get more fire station stuffs. Well, let me show you that. Let me just wind this up and show you what's going on in my fire station. So So this is my fire station, the one ladder truck I just showed you. This is my police department. I know I added the mountain police and the city police together, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah. A lot more stuff here going on. Alrighty. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.